All right, traders, we are back in office, and yeah, another backtesting session. As they say, what do they say? They say the grind never stops. At least that's what I say. No days off. Oh, that's what I was looking for. No days off. Another backtesting session, and this one is going to be a good one. I'm just feeling really good today, so yeah, let's get it. Indicator real quick. Settings as per usual. I picked April 2024. We haven't done that month yet, so let's see what happens here. Okay, 4 hour looking super bearish, and this gap is what I am interested in. It has not been traded into very much. These lows have been taken. These lows have been taken. The next liquidity, significant liquidity pool is down there. I don't think we're going there at the moment. But anyways, what do I know? Let's just see the lower time frame. Okay, so open. Okay, we're not even in open. We are an hour before open. Let's just skip through that hour. Sometimes it's even pretty useful to look at the market before the open. Like the hour, and see how that hour behaves. I like that we consolidated. We didn't really do any major moves, which would signify that we might be having a more choppy session, but this one should be fine. Okay, we're trading into the 5-minute gap. I'm looking also, yeah, the 15-minute, we want to fill it, so we're filling it, and let's see what happens to it. This is kind of like my condition for my bias. These equal lows are so damn perfect, like literally equal. So okay, I would like this liquidity pool to be our target because it's just so beautiful, but yeah, it seems like this gap. Okay, great. So right now we are delivering from the 1 hour gap, and here we have the inverse. I am a bit late on the entry. Okay, well, I will be like pressing the buttons a bit less quickly next time. Let's see if we have a pullback. Yeah, we kind of did. Now we're late. Okay, we're pulling back right now. Interesting. Good reaction. Yeah, okay, I know it's a shitty entry, but seems like this is very low resistance and there's perfectly equal lows below. So let's just see if there is any higher time frame gap that we need to inverse. So okay, let's just take this entry then. If this 2-minute gets inversed, it could be still a good trade. So yeah, just so you know, guys, I realized that actually my model, I wasn't really aware of it before, but I did my homework again, and I realized I need to wait for the highest time frame inversion of the gap possible in this range scenario or in this price action. So let's say there's a 2-minute here. I can't just take a trade out of the 1 minute if there is a 2-minute waiting for me there that needs inversing as well. So I'm just going to always check the 3-minute and 5-minute. I'm going to see here's the 3-minute, and it kind of overlaps with the 2-minute. I would like both of them to get inversed for me to be confident in my shorts. I'm curious if we still want to go a bit higher to take more liquidity first. Not necessarily. I think just taking out these equal highs is enough for us to be short. Hourly looks good. It looks good, the current one. Okay, nice. So the 3-minute is here. Let's wait for the closure of this candle. Wow, it's holding. Okay, no entry for us there. Okay, one more try for it then. Maybe we get it now. Okay, still no. So we need a closure below 852. Okay, so we get it. And I would put my stop loss, yeah, I mean, technically it should be here. 1-to-1 would be here. Let's see the hourly. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. 4 hour, yeah, this one rejected, but yeah, I'm not entirely sure. I mean, there is an untraded hourly gap above and 4 hour, which is a kind of big draw. Okay, I might be wrong on this one, but let's just try this 1-to-1. So remember, we're taking the entry off the 3 minute. Okay, I'm gonna go break even now because we're taking the lows. It looks pretty okay. If we are distributing that heavily to the downside, I would think we would want to take. Okay, so we get break even. Let's see if this plays out. Yeah, so clearly like not an A+ trade with the 4 hour, which hasn't been traded into yet on the higher time frame. Okay, it's gonna go now. Just for my learning's sake. Yeah, so we get take profit. So maybe I went break even a bit too quick, but that's just my rule. That's just how I trade. Internal lows means I go break even pretty much. So, and we took out these, so we could have also targeted just the 1-to-1 here, and yeah. Anyways, good trade. So let's just go to the next session because this one is already at 11. Okay, the page isn't working. Classic. I tried recording twice today, which is useful. I mean, I got some reps in, but yeah, I couldn't manage to make the page work. So got to record it again. I'm just looking at the current market before New York session today, and it looks like it is. Yeah, it's just in between both of these gaps. So yeah, I'm just gonna be very patient, and I think. Is it no news Monday? Yeah, kind of, yeah. Okay, cool. Let's keep going then. We are at the next session. Yes, we are. Okay. 15-minute holding here. Daily is kind of bearish. Yeah, very bearish. So our shorts yesterday were correct. And yeah, let's see, what about this 1 hour? If we sweep these highs and get an inversion to the downside, that would be pretty cool. We are kind of discounted. And also, yeah, no, okay, should be fine. The previous day had a big expansion to the downside. Okay, this is a long, okay, no, nothing interesting. Very choppy, very choppy. Sweeping the lows. Nothing that perks my interest necessarily. Yeah, there's low resistance liquidity probably going to go around. Yeah, very, very slow market, I would say. Let's see, 3 minute. Yeah. Nothing that I'm loving here. Yeah, it seems like a bearish market, but it's really tough for me to enter anything right here. Okay, we sweep the lows again. Hourly, yeah, we sweep the hourly lows as well. It's a pretty good V shape. Okay, I mean, I kind of like this because we were distributing strongly to the downside, but now we have this V shape. Yeah, so could have been a good trade, but we are bearish overall, so I wouldn't really take it. I mean, not much here, like no significant gaps. This just looks like a forming barcode. Yeah, we're going back up, and it's just like, it's very tough. We inverse this gap. Probably gonna take these highs. If not, I will be surprised. Wow, this is just very slow. Okay, I mean, that's what the session looked like. I guess there was a short, but it's just 70 points. This is very much a range. I'm not interested, so let's just keep going. Did the page lag again? I think it did. No, it didn't. Fantastic. Okay, wow, that was some news for sure. I mean, I want to see if we want to rebalance that, because we often do. Okay, I'm just going to refresh again. Let's see. Okay, not working. Beautiful. I'm just gonna check if we're recording. We're recording. Alright. Well. Can we get this thing to work, please? Aye. Alright, well, nothing I can do. It's apparently syncing market data. Okay, should be working now. No, it's not. Great. I mean, I might have to do the backtesting today on TradingView. Okay, I mean, not much I can do here. I know this video is kind of nothing, but I'm gonna upload it anyways, just for the series to continue. And yeah, if I have time, we can just do a backtesting session on TradingView in the evening, or maybe just a recap and kind of like a forward testing analysis today would be more useful. So yeah, I hope you guys got something out of this video at least. I guess we made some good decisions in terms of like picking the trading conditions and being very like aware of the market not being necessarily the most optimal for taking trades. So maybe that's something you can take out of this video, and I'll just see you in the next one. Let's not worry about this. I hope FX Replay CEO watches this video. If you are watching this video, please fix the website. I would love to backtest and still promote it. And yeah, just affiliate me. So bye bye.